Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a list on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a list on Salesforce is a straightforward process that allows you to filter and display records in a specific way, making it easier to manage your data. Once you are logged into your account, for example, we're going to hover to the account section. We're going to click all accounts and we're going to create a new list here in this section. I want you to hover your mouse to the gear icon where you have the list controls, and we're going to create a new one. For example, this is going to be this, right? Let me just do that again. I'm going to hit on cancel. I'm going to create new because the API should be automatic. You have the option. Is it going to be like you're the only one who can see this list view, or all users can see this list view? It's up to you. But for now, we're going to use the first one right here. Click on save. Basically, that's how you create a list here in Salesforce. If you hover to the contacts, you can do the same. Click this and create new view. And from here, all I have to do is click on save. All right. Now, as you can see, creating a list enables users to focus on specific groups of records, allowing for more efficient workflows and task management. Now, you can also do the same thing with contracts. All I have to do is click on the gear icon, click on this, and now users can create custom views that highlight the most relevant information for their specific roles or tasks. And by creating lists in Salesforce, it is crucial for effective data management, improve productivity, targeted marketing, and enhance collaboration within the teams. By leveraging lists, obviously, you can make data-driven decisions, streamline workflows, and ultimately achieve a better business outcomes. Because as you all know, lists can be customized, like this one right here, all right? To meet the unique needs of different teams, or ensuring that everyone has access to the information that matters to most of them. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.